Activated charcoal, also known as activated carbon, is a form of carbon process to have small, low-volume pores that increases the surface area available for absorption or chemical reactions. The term activated refers to the process of heating carbon-rich materials, such as wood, coconut shells, or sawdust, to a high temperature. This activation process removes impurities and develops a porous structure. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of activated charcoal. This black powder has been making waves in health and beauty circles for its incredible benefits. Stick around as we explore some major benefits, how it can be used, and of course, a friendly reminder about some precautions. As always, this video is for enlightening and education purposes only. Consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Activated charcoal can interfere with certain medications, so it's crucial to use it responsibly. Now let's dive right in. Digestive health. Activated charcoal's absorbent nature makes it a digestive champion, alleviating gas, bloating, and discomfort by binding to excess gases in the digestive system. Teeth whitening. It naturally removes stains and brightens your smile by binding to plaque and toxins on teeth. Clear skin. Applied in skincare routines, it draws out impurities, reducing acne and promoting a clearer complexion. Water purification. Utilized in water filters, it traps contaminants, ensuring cleaner and safer drinking water. Emergency toxin removal. Hospitals use it to absorb ingested toxins, preventing their absorption into the bloodstream. Insect bite soother. Applied topically, it quickly eases itching and swelling from insect bites. Mold fighter. Its moisture-absorbing properties make it effective in eliminating mold, contributing to a healthier living environment. If you found this video informative so far, please like, share, and also subscribe. Now let's continue. Air freshener. A natural deodorizer, it absorbs and neutralizes unpleasant odors in various spaces. Alleviating diarrhea. In specific situations, it may bind to toxins contributing to diarrhea, offering relief. Kidney health. Preliminary studies suggest potential support for kidney function by reducing the accumulation of waste products. Acne treatment. Its absorbent qualities make it an excellent ingredient in facial masks, helping to unclog pores and reduce acne. Heart health. By binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, activated charcoal may contribute to lowering overall cholesterol levels. Anti-aging properties. Used in skincare, it may assist in reducing the signs of aging by promoting detoxification and skin rejuvenation. Joint pain relief. Some evidence suggests that activated charcoal may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially aiding in relieving joint pain. Hair detox. Applied to the scalp, it draws out impurities, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Food poisoning remedy. Taken orally, it may help neutralize toxins from food poisoning, reducing their absorption. Wound healing. Applied topically, activated charcoal may support the healing process of minor wounds by preventing infection. Stomach bug relief. It could potentially alleviate symptoms of stomach bugs by binding to toxins responsible for gastrointestinal distress. Gas and bloating relief. Activated charcoal absorbs excess gas in the digestive system, providing relief from bloating and discomfort. Candida overgrowth control. Some studies suggest that it may help control the overgrowth of candida, a type of yeast in the digestive tract. Improving liver function. Activated charcoal may assist the liver by reducing the load of toxins it needs to process. Reducing high blood pressure. Some research indicates that activated charcoal may have a positive impact on reducing blood pressure levels. Now, let's discuss the practical applications of activated charcoal. In skincare, blend activated charcoal with honey or yogurt to form a mask, applying it to your face. Rinse after 15 minutes. To support digestion, take activated charcoal supplements with plenty of water. Before you embrace the myriad benefits of activated charcoal, a quick word of caution. While it's undoubtedly a versatile substance, it may not be suitable for everyone. Always consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Activated charcoal can interfere with certain medications, so it's crucial to use it responsibly. Follow recommended dosages and guidelines to ensure a safe and effective experience. I hope you found this journey into the world of activated charcoal enlightening and informative. If these incredible benefits and practical applications have sparked your curiosity, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights, health tips. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.